see how to run your test cases on different browsers. How can you run on different browsers? So I'll select which browser, which one you want to run, different browsers. Maybe let me run one also. Yeah, already we have 3 browsers. So we can have Google Sessions, Progress Bar, and ZKDemo. Yeah, fine. We are good. So what I'm going to do here is same ZKDemo, Progress Bar, and Google Sessions. So these 3 test cases, I'm going to run on different browsers. So how to run them? So you have to create again suite file, everything on the suite file. So cross-browser testing. Cross-browser to suite. So, and then parallel mode tests. So tests, and I can give thread count 5. And the suite file I'll create under finish. Okay. So now cross browser. So here parallel equal to, you see that parallel equal to tests. Before parallel equal to classes. So that's the difference. Now I need to run these classes. So on different browsers. So each browser you create one test tag. So each browser you create one test tag. See, I created a test tag and I closed it. Test tag, closed it. Test tag, closed it. So here I'll give the parameter tag. So parameters. So browser is the parameter, right? Browser, and the value is edge. Same. Browser, Firefox. Same here also. Browser, Chrome. Okay. So I'll just name this Chrome browser test. And name this Firefox browser test. So the test name I'm changing. This is the test tag. The test tag name is Firefox browser test. And then Edge, MS Edge browser test. Yeah, that's it. See, I'm running on different browsers. So each browser I'm running all the test cases. You can run many classes, okay, in the same browser. So let's run this. See, now what will happen? 3 browsers will open: Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. See, Chrome, Firefox yet to launch. I think Firefox launched here already. Something wrong. Yeah. Anyhow, we are closing for every class, right? That's why it is opening again. So even Firefox also launched. See, Edge, and so this is running. Keep moving on. there is something wrong, and we'll see. So how many passed, how many failed, still we need to see that. Is it done? I think we are good. Let's go now. So many are failed, but so past one still running what? Yeah. So Chrome browser class count is 10, methods 10. Firefox browser, I think Firefox some problem. It didn't run 6 methods. MS Edge 3. The time it has taken, it is giving the clear. See, this is the so all the count. So let's see. I'll just refresh the project, and we'll see the report clearly. So there is some problem with the report. Parallel classes, no. Email, let's see this. Yeah. Why depends on methods. Something wrong. It didn't run properly. Chrome browser, Google session. It's Firefox. So. Stale element references, stale element not found, stale element reference exception. So you need to find out where that is. Which class you got that. Progress bar. Yeah, so maybe it is running in multiple. That's why so we are getting a problem. I think I'll reduce some of the classes. Unnecessary, we don't want to run. Progress bar. Let's remove this. And, okay, Firefox. Just to keep. This is where getting a problem. Okay, now let's run it. Let's see now. First of all, at least properly it is running or not. So generally you won't open in the browser in the production when you're running. It will be in the headless mode so that it won't be overlapped each other. So that's a drawback in the Selenium. What will happen? One on the top, other is there, and it is the focus is changing. So that's why it is not running properly. And this kind of problems, a lot of challenges you will face while running in the different browsers combinations. Again, you see that. See now it is showing properly. ZK demo. Chrome browser, it didn't run at all. Firefox browser, it didn't run. Skipped this one. Google session also skipped. There is a Firefox issue is there. Okay. Session not created exception. Could not start a new session. So the reason for this, let me solve this problem. Reason for this Firefox is Firefox browser, you have to give the path where it is installed. That path you need to set. So how to set that path is in the configuration itself, you need to set that. go to getk demo and here. So here you need to give. So there is a set path is there. Let me check that. Set. Yeah, you can see there is a set binary option. Set binary option. So I can use this. I can set the Firefox where it is installed. That path you need to set. Just right click on the Firefox properties, and this path you need to provide. So everywhere you set it in every class. So then that problem will be solved. So which classes you are running, that classes you have to make sure this is present there. Google sessions, right? Yeah. Now run it. Hmm. Server not found. Yeah, still there is a problem with Firefox. So what I'm going to do here is, let me comment out this. Uh, check demo. So Google sessions. Yeah. So this is the kind of challenges we are going to face when you're running in the cross-browser testing. Then I'll run in the, say this pop-ups should not come. Yeah, now it's going fine, right? So Firefox, it's going fine now. Good now. So this is the giving some problems. We don't need these settings. So once we comment out that, and it is going fine. Now you can refresh. See, all are passed now. Okay, if you want, you can include all the classes. So before we remove the classes, right? You can include the classes if you want. So msh. So I have removed here, and this one I removed in Firefox. I'll include that. So let's include all these three classes in each. Yeah, good. Let's run it. Hmm. Something here. So this pop-up has come. So that's why it didn't stop it. Uh, yeah, this kind of things you need to handle them also. Uh, so that's very important. See, this also didn't go through that. I think the failure will happen there. Definitely, it will show failure. So still running, and we'll see. See, this is how do you know this running? This one, it's running. No such element exception. No such element exception. Um, Firefox and MS Edge, we have a problem. This it's taking too much time. So I'll run only failed test cases. Let me go to cross-browser suite. We have a test in FN failed and see Google suggestions, ZK demo, but this one is not showing. Let's run again then. What's happening here? Which element it is not able to identify? No such session exception. Oh, session is closing. Why session is closing? Progress. Progress. Session is closing. Okay, if after class, this method after it has to close. Sessions is also fine. Set k demo. It's committing. It is legal info pass. Hmm. So progress bar also I'll close after test only. Okay, we'll see now. Google session also. We'll close after test. Okay. Now let's run it. Because it is closing, I don't want to close the browser. That's what it is complaining. Session is no such session. That means the instance is closed. Okay. Two failed this time. Let's see what are all that true. Progress bar is failing. What is that? No such session ID is null. Using WebDriver after calling quit. Is closing. Start. So we are not closing, right? After test only we are closing. Any other place we are calling? Test method. Here progress bar, right? After test only we are closing. Range. Okay. So which browsers? That is Chrome browser, Firefox, Chrome browser and Firefox. Let's remove this. This is okay. Edge is fine. Only here we are getting a bowl. Disable info. Test. Well, disable info bar is not working. So let's clear them off. also. Okay, let's run. So we have to fix all this, maybe some settings issue. It's closing. We should not close the browser. So we need to run in headless mode. This is all head mode, right? Headless mode, how to run, I'll show you that. So we need to set headless true, you need to set. Automatically, it will run in headless mode. So that the overlapping all so is not going to happen. So is not going to happen, then obviously your problem will be solved. This is going, that's wrong. It should not go. These are all settings. Need to see how can we set this settings. We close all these things. Zooming after suit. Apps. Okay, Chrome, Edge is launched. Okay. So only one MS Edge is failed, Google session test. Why timed out exception? and line number to find out the line number. No such element exception. Result stats. Okay. Result stats is not able to find out. This one, right? ID expert. Which line it was failing? It's not showing properly. Let's go here and see any failure. Search 64 line. Line number 64. Oh, result stats. What's wrong with this? This is correct only, right? Okay, so let me run in uh, headless mode. How to run in headless mode? Options dot set headless. So there is option set headless. I can see set add arguments is okay. I think they disabled that method. So add arguments we can use. Add arguments. Headless. Same you can apply for all the browsers. If you have a doubt, go to selenium.dev documentation to find out headless option. Documentation. So WebDriver, browsers, Chrome specific functionalities, and you can see start headless equal to no. You need to set headless equal to new. Set headless. Yeah. Set headless. Okay, so we can give this. I think yes, it will work. Equal to new. Same thing you can set for other browsers also. So the advantage is, you can basically avoid this browser conflicts, one browser overlapping other browser. The focus, no, going to affect, right? So that you can avoid with this. So that's what we can do that with this headless mode. So basically browser should not open. Remember that. So once you add this feature, browser should not open. It will run in headless mode. Yeah. Let's see.